So here is our microdots exhibit. We have a message um, which looks fairly normal, apart from its slightly odd contents. Um, but if you look at it carefully using this microscope here, you can see that it's blowing things up quite a long way. But if you look at any of a lot of the dots, you start to see that they're not simple dots. They are in fact microdots with messages on them. So this one is telling us to move the left two words. So 1, 2, and then we have to go up 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Somewhere near here. Oh, and left 1 word. And down 2 lines. 1, 2. Down another line. Across 1 word. Across 3 words. And then we get to the final prize, which for the exhibition this is built for, is a picture of an animal, which is in this case a blue whale. So there's a bit of a challenge for the kids to do. They've got to follow a little maze round. We can obviously make more of these relatively simply. The microscope is in fact autofocus. So you may have noticed that all the pictures are in focus, and even if I push it down, it comes back into focus, which is a really nice ability, and the autofocus is very, very quick, which again is really important if you've got children because they tend not to wait for things like that. It is a bit constrained in that the lens has got to be quite close to the object, but other than that it's a very effective microscope. And it's a nice little activity for, in this case, an exhibition on code cracking, as one of the major ways people used to hide messages was hiding them in plain sight, just so small you couldn't see them.